Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Men Sevinch Tolipova va bugun sizlar bilan darsimizni boshlaymiz. Okey, tak bu bo'ladiki bizning darsimiz bepul darsligimiz lesson birinchisi bo'lar ekan. Okey. Xo'p, ko'rishingiz mumkin ekranda bugun sizlar bilan William Henry Perkin haqidagi tekstda bugun solve qilamiz. Okey, guys. Xo'p. Uh, mhm. Birinchi bo'lib bizlarda tekstni tushunib olamiz, keyin savollarga o'tamiz. Right? Okay. William Henry Perkin was born on March 12th, 18, 38 in London, England. As a boy, Perkins' curiosity prompted early interest in the arts, science, photography, and engineering, but it was a chance stumbling upon a rundown. Yet, functionally laboratory in his late grandfather's home was solidified the young man's enthusiasm for chemistry. Okay, what is the main idea of this? Okay, context. Okay, guys. Hop. Buni main ideyasi, ya'ni ideyasi nima bo'lyapti bu tomonda? Okay. То, что William Henry Perkin u tug'ilgan ekan o'sha martning 12-sida 1838-yili. O'sha Englandda, ya'ni Londondagi. Va uning qiziqishi boshidan o'zi boshlangan ekan, то, что rasmchilikka, o'sha art san'atga, sciencega, ya'ni ну, biologiya, ximiya, fizika ana shunaqa fanlarga, и fotografiyaga va muhandislikka. Aha. То, что uni вот dedushkasidan ham laboratoriya bo'lgan ekan uning uyi va uni judalarda вот qattiqlashtirilgan ekan, то, что uni bolani, то, что qattiqlashtirilgan ekan uning qiziqishi, ya'ni o'shanaqangi ximiyaga qiziqishini judalarda oshirgan ekan. Like this, guys. Okay. Xo'p. Birinchi savolimiz вот ko'rishinglar mumkin, shu tomonda kelyapti. Okay. Michael Faraday first person birinchi odam ekan, то, что uning Perkinning ability, ya'ni abilitiesini bilgan as a student of chemistry, ya'ni student, ximiyaviy o'sha student. Okay. Xo'p. Hozir bilib olamiz, truemi yoki falsemi yoki not given. Okay. As a student at the city of London School, Perkin became immersed in studying of chemistry. His talent and devotion to the subject were perceived by his teacher, Thomas Hall, who encouraged him to attend the serious lectures given by eminent, science, Michael Faraday, at the Royal Institution. Okay. What is the main idea? Xo'p, hozir nima bo'ldi bu tomonda? Guys, qaranglar. То, что uni birinchi qiziqishini o'qituvchisi bilgan ekan, Thomas Hall. Значит, bu tomonda false bo'lyapti. Chunki o'sha Michael Faraday bu просто mashhur odam ekan, то, что u lecturelariga qatnashib, ya'ni lecturelariga qatnashib yurgan. Shu uchun ham false bo'lyapti. Okay? Aha. So, I think you understood this. Okay. Va ikkinchisi. So the second question is okay. Michael Faraday suggested Perkin should enroll the Royal College of Chemistry. Xo'p, Michael Faraday maslahat bergan, то, что Perkinga Royal College Chemistryni enroll qilish uchun. Okay, enroll qilishni. Okay. Xo'p, at the time of Perkins' enrollment, Perkinning enrollmenti, the Royal College of Chemistry was headed by the noted German chemist, okay, August Wilhelm Hofmann, okay. Bu yerda suggest qilyaptimi, guys? Shu tomonni bitta o'ylab ko'raylik, to что suggest qilyaptimi? Mhm. Endi, okay, bu tomonda kelyapti ekan. Those speeches fired the young chemist enthusiasm further, and he later went on to attend the Royal College of Chemistry, which he succeeded in entering in, okay, 1853 at the age of 15. Tomonda hozir suggest beryapti. No, bizlar bilmaymiz suggest berganmi yoki maslahat berganmi yoki yo'qmi. Okay. Uchinchisiga qaraymiz. Perkin employed, то что ishlagan ekan August Wilhelm, okay, Hoffman as his assistant. Assistant bo'lib ishlaganmi? Mhm. Okay, just pause the video, guys, и o'zlaringlar bitta topib ko'ringlar. Mhm. So it's going to be true. Guys, o'qib ko'ramiz. Perkins' science gift soon caught Hoffman's attention, and with the 2 years, he became Hoffman's youngest assistant. То, что Perkin birinchi bo'lib, okay, science o'sha gift. Mhm. So, scientific gifts, ya'ni ilmiy o'sha sovg'alar uni то что Hoffmanni attentionini, ya'ni diqqatini tutib olgan ekan va 2 yildan keyin u Hoffmanday assistant'i bo'lgan ekan. So it's going to be true. Oh, sorry, guys. Employ qildimi bu tomonda? Employ. Okay. No, employ qilmadi. Yeah, employ qilmadi, guys. So that is why it's going to be employee ham qaramabmiz, guys. Is it true or false, guys? Hozir ozgina chalkash, no, lekin baribir yetsa bo'ladi, guys. No, hozirda true yoki false? Okay. So let me check, guys. Let me check. Cambridge. Ham true, ham false ham bo'lib qolyapti-da, guys. Okay. 9 answers. Reading. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See, guys, which false which false bo'ldi. Nima uchun false bo'lyapti? Chunki employ qildimi, bu tomonda berilmayapti-da, то что u просто podarka berib turgan. Ya'ni ishlagani haqida aytmabdi-da. Shu uchun ham hozir men o'ylab qoldim. То что bu yerda employ ham bor ekan, bu true bo'lmaydi deb o'ylab qoldim. Okay, guys. Xo'p. Bular o'zlaringlar bitta qarab chiqasizlar. Обязательно, guys. Так, 4dan 7gacha. Sizlar bilan hozir Perkins Discovery'siga qaraganmiz. Perkins, okay, before Perkins' discovery, with what group in society was called Purple Associated? Yani associate bo'lganida qaysi gruppa? Okay, yani pushti rang, pushti, okay, guys. So fioletoviy bilan. Yani associated, tegishlimi shunaqa, okay, guys. So indeed, the purple color extracted from a snail was once so costly in society at the time only rich could afford it. Yani faqatgina то что boylargina uni afford qila olar edi, ya'ni sotib ola olar edi. Ya'ni da. no effort. Yetardi ularga-da shunday puli. Like these guys. Xo'p. Uh, mhm. So it's going to be rich. Okay. Yeah, rich. Mhm. What potential did Perkin immediately understand that his new dye had? Dye degan bu degani soch bo'yog'i. Okay? Ya'ni soch bo'yash. Sochni shunaqa soch. Okay, no bo'yashda guys. Okay. But perhaps the most fascinating of all person's reaction to his find was his nearby instant recognizing that the new dye had commercially possibilities. So it's going to be the answer. It's going to be commercial. Mhm. Possibilities. Right. Okay. Mhm. Tushunyapsizlar deb o'ylayman. Qolgani sizlar uchun uyga vazifa bo'ladi. Прям общийsi. Okay, so guys, um, da bizlar yangi вот blog yuritayotgandik guys. Aha, foydali videolar uchun videoga вот like ham bosinglar и подписка bo'lib qo'yinglar, yana videolar chiqaveradi. Shunga qarab sizlar bilan bizlar video chat ham qilardik guys, agarda sizlar obuna bo'lsangiz. 100 tadan ko'p obunachiga agar erishsak guys, bizlar yangi video chat qilamiz. Ну, video chat o'sha jonli efir qilamiz. Savollaringlar bo'lsa, tak javob beramiz guys. Okay, so shu uchun ham sizlardan iltimos qilib so'ragan edim. Obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye everyone. Take care guys. Bye. Take care.